Hi everybody, let me introduce you The Last Fridge by Fridgedom. As soon as you see this beautiful object, you can notice this is state of the art through its perfect design. Our fridge features two beautiful doors, both equipped with door handles. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered what a fridge can do? According to me, this fridge can help you improve your reaction time and reflexes. Our fridge is also versatile. Thanks to the hinge door and its strong adhesion, you can become stronger every time you want to open it. Besides its versatility, our fridge is also very convenient. For example, I can attach reminders with magnets. Or, according to most people, you can store dead bodies and organs inside of it. And finally, with its height of 7 feet 4 inches, you can hide absolutely anything on top of it. Yep, there is this little detail I always forget about. You can just keep food inside of it.